We're at Empire Manufacturing in Hoddesdon, Hertfordshire. Now that's easy for me to say. Not so easy was me to find something famous from Hertfordshire.
Well, Colin, Lewis Hamilton's from Hertfordshire, so I think he's fairly famous.
Okay, that sort of told me, didn't it? Okay, Lewis Hamilton, that's all we could find. But of course, yourselves, Empire Manufacturing, you're famous for your turning work in Hoddesdon and around the UK and overseas now as well. But what sort of machines and work are you doing?
Well, predominantly we've always been star sliding head machines. We do also have a CMZ fixed head machine with gantry loader, and we've also got a VMC milling machine as well.
Got you. Okay, so I think let's have a quick look at some of the components, shall we?
Yeah, sure. Sorry. So, as you see, mostly sort of turn parts with a little bit of milling on there. Got some slotting on there, all done in one operation on the star machines. So no need for second ops. And,
so really giving you a lot of flexibility, the star machines?
Yeah, that's right, yeah. To be able to do it in one op obviously saves us a lot of time, set up and deliver quicker to customers as well.
Now this looks like a mill part to me.
Yeah, it pretty much is a milled part, but it still comes off the Star. It's actually off our new Star, the SW20. It's allowed us to do that in one op complete. Even previously on the Stars, we wouldn't have been able to do it complete. We would have had to have put it on a mill afterwards because of the length of it. But yeah, now one operation, and of course that means it's all automated as well. We're running overnight.
Excellent. Right, Stuart, I know key to your business as well is not only machines, but investing in other products, and we're going to go and look at those later, other products in the machine shop. But I understand you've got a new recruit, and you've let him loose on a Star, the new Star, so I'm going to go and have a chat with Jamie.
Yeah.
Now, firstly, I've been told of, because it's James, not Jamie, is that correct?
That is correct, Colin, yeah.
Now, you are the newest recruit here, but they've obviously got great faith in you, because they have let you loose on their latest investment, the SW20. Can you tell me a bit more about it? I mean, first of all, balanced turning.
Yeah, so basically we can turn on Platinum 1 and Platinum 3, so we can do a rough cut and finish cut at the same time. It saves a lot of tool wear on like the finish size, and it helps us make bigger cuts in one go, and also helps in consistency of the part, maintaining tolerances, and it's obviously faster as a result.
So very simply, reduced cycle time and a lot more stable.
Yeah, that is correct, yeah. And also with swarf as well, it helps chip the swarf, so we have less swarf issues.
Now, tell me about Path 3.
Path 3 is our second platen, and we have 3 driven units on there, so we can turn and thread at the same time with both platens, and also it can be used independently, so it can maybe mill while Path 1 drills. So it helps reduce cycle times. And
yeah, absolutely. So again, reduces cycle times, and now it's also got a full Y-axis.
Yeah, the sub-spindle has Y-axis and 4 driven units on the back, so we can do off-centre drilling, off-centre milling, pretty much anything really.
Excellent, so it really gives you that flexibility, a lot more efficient, quicker cycle times. Now, I mentioned new investment. We also mentioned earlier about investment by Empire Manufacturing, so let's go and have a chat about some other investments in the company.
Stuart, thanks for the opportunity to be here today at Empire Manufacturing. You've got some fantastic machines here. You've got some Stars, you've obviously got some Leadwell, which obviously Colin's going to talk to us about, and CMZ. But from a software point of view, why have you invested in Factory Whiz?
Hi Mark. Well, to start with, it became quite apparent to us that we had an idea in our heads of what the machines were doing out here on the shop floor, and that wasn't always the case. So for us, we really wanted something that was going to give us real information and allow us to deal with facts and know what was actually happening out here.
But does it offer you sort of lights out engineering as well?
Yeah, it does. We always try and run lights out where we can, but it also helps with if a job has to run, whereas before sometimes I'd have to come back of an evening or a weekend to make sure that it was still running. Now I can check it on my phone or on my laptop at home, and as long as it's still going, then yeah, I can enjoy the rest of my afternoon or whatever I'm doing.
And how does that benefit your customers?
Well, obviously it means that we can deliver products on time, and that there's no surprises for us, and hopefully then no surprises for them either.
Obviously you guys are very busy, but how did you come to Factory Whiz? How did you find it?
It was actually an MTD video that I saw. I didn't really know anything like that existed originally. I saw that video, became interested in it, and then I went and seeked them out at MAC last year, and had a little chat with Ben, and he explained it a little bit more in depth to me. And yeah, after seeing what it could do, thought it would be a big benefit to our company, and we went with it.
So how is Factory Whiz improving your production here?
Well, like I said, it's allowing us to deal with facts, so we can monitor the runs of different jobs. It highlights if a job's not running so well, so then we can address the situation and get it running back to full efficiency.
Stuart, so as Colin has said, is that you're continually expanding and investing. Now, you've invested in this Mitutoyo vision system, but why?
Well, we're starting to get more complex components coming through, so it's initially to allow us to do more complex stuff. We had a job a little while ago where we was finding it difficult to measure absolutely everything with any real certainty, so this gives us confidence to take on more difficult work.
And the type of customers that you're bringing into the company now, do they demand this type of inspection?
Yeah, a lot of them do, more and more now. Obviously anything for sort of aerospace, automotive, things like that, it's all very, very important. And to find out that something's wrong after it's gone out the door's too late. We need to get it done before it goes out, so it's limited damage.
There's quite a few systems on the market from different manufacturers, but why did you opt for the Mitutoyo products?
Yeah, well, we looked at a few different systems. For what we wanted, this machine was the most versatile for us. It allowed us to do as much as we could within this price range. And also a big part of it was Mitutoyo's support. Having gone up there and see the guys and meet them, speak to them, it was very evident that they would support us all the way through if we purchased one of their machines.
So you've got some training coming up with Mitutoyo, haven't you?
Yes, I have. I'm going up there soon, actually. I'm going to go on their 3-day training course up in Coventry. So, again, that will give us the confidence that I can check the parts and I'm doing it correctly.
Stuart, thanks very much indeed.
Thanks a lot, Mark.
A big thanks to Stuart and the guys at Empire Manufacturing. They are a great example of investing not only in the machines but other processes within a machine shop to keep them ahead of the competition. So thanks very much, guys. Hope you enjoyed the show and we will see you next time.